Bonjour mes amis! Welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we will explore the wonderful world of French language study and our focus is on the adjectives. Understanding how adjectives work in French is crucial for effective communication. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Rule number 1: in French, the adjective agrees with the noun it qualifies. This means that the adjective changes its form based on the gender and number of the noun. Let's take a look at some examples. Manuel est grand. Here, the adjective grand agrees with the masculine singular noun manuel. Manuel et Anish sont grands. In this case, the adjective grand agrees with the masculine plural nouns Manuel et Anish. Remember, agreement is key in French adjectives. Moving on to rule number 2, forming the feminine of adjectives in French. Typically, you add an E to the masculine form. But be aware that if the masculine form already ends with an E, you don't add another E. Let's see how it works. Caroline est grande. Here, the feminine form of grande is created by adding an E to the masculine form. Alina et Catherine sont sympathiques. Notice that sympathetic is the feminine plural form and we don't add another E to the sympathetic because it already ends with an E. Rule number 3, forming the plural of adjectives in French. Generally, you add an S to the singular form. But if the singular form already ends with an S, you skip the additional S. Let's see how it works. Elles sont grandes. The plural form grande is created by adding an S to the singular form grande. Ils sont gros. In this case, gros remains the same in the plural form because it already ends with an S. Voila! You have now mastered 3 essential rules for using adjectives in French. Now let's explore some regular and irregular adjectives to solidify our understanding. Practice these rules with different nouns and soon you will be expressing yourself with flair in this beautiful language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more language tips and leave your questions or suggestions in the comment section below. A bientôt. Goodbye.